Graded Card Investor.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt with GradedCardInvestor.com, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to cover the top 15 high-selling, recently sold sports cards from 2002. This list is going to be primarily rookie cards. However, I did throw in a couple inserts. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the list. Coming in at number 15 is a 2002 Finest Carmelo Anthony Rookie Card Refractor number 180, graded BGS 9.5, gem mint condition, current population of only 15, with 49 submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on June 17th for $493. These Topps Finest refractors are considered XRC rookies, released before their debut in the NBA. Carmelo was first round, third pick overall in the 2003 NBA draft. Coming in at number 14 is a 2002 Panini World Cup Zlatan Ibrahimovic sticker with blue back, number 456, graded PSA 9, mint condition, current population of 34, which is 41 submitted to PSA so far. Of the blue backs, the black backs around the same have been submitted. Sold at auction on May 26th for $587. This is not his rookie card. He has a rookie card from 2000. I think I failed to leave it, put it on that list in 2000. However, this is one of his earlier stickers, so I think there's some value and collectability to it. Coming in at number 13 is a 2002 Topps Chrome Ed Reed Rookie Card Refractor number 208, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of 63, with just 190 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 28th for $685. Ed Reed is a Hall of Fame defensive back, 9-time Pro Bowl, 1-time Super Bowl champ, 5-time All-Pro, dominant defensive back for the Baltimore Ravens during his entire career. However, he ended it with Houston and New York Jets in 2013 and was inducted into the Hall of Fame in 2019. Coming in at number 12 is a 2002 Fleer Ultra WNBA Sue Bird Rookie Card number 101, rated PSA 9, mint condition, current population of only 28, with just 37 of these submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 5th for $808. She's a 4-time WNBA champion, 12-time All-Star, 5-time Russian National League champion. So many stats, guys. She even has 4 Olympic gold medals. Coming in at number 11 is a 2002 Bowman Chrome Julius Peppers Gold Rookie Card Refractor number 135, graded BGS 9.5, gem mint condition, current population of only 5, with just 10 of these submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on June 14th for $848. These are serial numbered out of 50. Julius Peppers, one of the best defensive ends of our generation. He's currently 4th on all-time sacks at 159.5, beating Michael Strahan, Jason Taylor, Lawrence Taylor, Derek Thomas, a bunch of Hall of Fame players. He's got more sacks than they did. And he's number 2 for tackles for a loss at 175, with Terrell Suggs holding the number 1 spot. Coming in at number 10 is a 2002 Upper Deck Inspirations Dwayne Wade Hollow Foil Rookie Card number 160A, graded BGS 8.5, near mint to mint plus condition. Current population of only 1, which is 8 of these submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on June 30th for $880. These are serial numbered out of 499. I wanted to include it on the list to let you guys know there are other options for these XRC rookie cards for the 2003 NBA draft. The Melo, LeBron James, and even Dwayne Wade. Wade is a 3-time NBA champ, 13-time All-Star, 3-time All-Defensive, 2005 Finals MVP. He's got a pretty impressive resume. I think he's going to be in the Hall of Fame for sure. He's just a little outshined by the LeBron James, the other guy in the draft. You know that guy. Coming in at number 9 is a 2002 Bowman Chrome Joe Mauer Refractor Autograph Rookie Card number 391, graded BGS 9.5, gem mint condition, current population of 24, with 164 submitted so far. Sold at auction on June 2nd for $929. Mauer will be eligible for the Hall of Fame in 2024. And he has a very strong case to get in, guys. He's a 6-time All-Star, 1-time MVP. He was a first overall draft pick, 3 batting titles, most ever by a catcher, 3-time Golden Glove winner, 5-time Silver Slugger. I mean, the list goes on and on. He played his entire career with the Minnesota Twins. I think he has some huge collectability and huge potential for his rookie card. So seeing this card at $930, serial number out of 250, graded BGS 9.5, man, I was shocked. Coming in at number 8 is a 2002 Sp Authentic Phil Mickelson Rookie Card Autograph number 110, graded BGS 9.5, gem mint condition, current population of 16 with only 35 submitted so far. One card graded a BGS 10, sold at auction on June 25th for $1,815. This is the limited parallel, serial numbered out of 100. It's a non-card autograph. Very nice looking card with the bronze background complementing the BGS bronze labels. I thought it was, very nice fit. Phil Mickelson, only $1,800. Compared to the Tiger Woods, that's definitely pretty cheap. Coming in at number 7 is a 2002 Sp Authentic Manu Ginobli rookie card, autograph number 172, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 3, which is 5 of these submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on May 28th for $2,225. These are serial numbered out of 50. It's a limited parallel. The on-card autograph, you can't really see it. It's dark. Upper Deck didn't do a great job designing the card for the place of the autograph, but this is Ginobli, one of his rarest rookie card autographs. It's a little unfair that it's only serial numbered out of 50 in the PSA 10. That definitely has a lot to do with the price tag of this card. Coming in at number 6 is a 2002 Bowman Chrome Greinke Gold Refractor rookie card number 6, graded PSA 9, mint condition, current population of only 9, with just 12 submitted to PSA so far and none graded 10. Sold at auction on April 16th for $2,650. Zach Greinke, he is one of the biggest oddballs in sports. His rookie cards have been getting a lot of attention lately because of his longevity, essentially. He's played for numerous teams, ranging from the Dodgers, the Angels, the Brewers, the Diamondbacks, the Royals, and now the Astros. Coming in at number 5 is a 2002 Topps Chrome Michael Jordan White Refractor number 10, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 6, with just 26 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on June 20th for $7,339. These are serial numbered out of 249. Michael Jordan with the Wizards. I underestimated these cards. I assumed only Jordan cards in his Bulls uniform was going to be collectible and valuable. However, I was dead wrong. So I felt the need to include this on the list to let you guys know that Jordan in his Wizards uniform still collectible. You're buying the name Michael Jordan. You're not necessarily buying the team that he's playing on. Coming in at number 4 is a 2002 Topps Chrome Yao Ming Chinese Refractor rookie card number 146, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, current population of only 14, with 68 submitted to PSA so far. Sold at auction on April 19th for $7,408. I could not believe the price tag of these Yao Ming cards. They are through the roof. He was a lifer playing for the Houston Rockets. He's an 8-time All-Star, 5-time All-NBA. He never won a ring. However, he did make it into the Hall of Fame. Coming in at number 3 is a 2002 Cristiano Ronaldo Panini Portugal rookie card sticker number 306, graded BGS 9, mint condition, current population of only 24, with just 125 of these submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on June 30th for $10,300. These are Ronaldo's earliest stickers, 2002, considered his rookie sticker. You all know Cristiano Ronaldo, world-renowned soccer footballer, considered the best in the world. He has a bunch of other cards coming up, so expect to see him on many more of these lists. Coming in at number 2 is a 2002 Finest LeBron James rookie card refractor number 178, graded BGS 9.5, gem mint condition, current population of only 72, with just 149 submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on June 22nd for $12,102. One of LeBron James' earliest rookie cards. Like I said, it's considered an XRC rookie. These are serial numbered out of 250. Many of you out there will agree this isn't the best photo of LeBron. I prefer a dunk action shot or any photo of him playing basketball. It's just I can't get over this white suit. Coming in at number 1 is a 2002 SPX Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant winning combos patch autograph, graded BGS 8.5, near mint to mint plus condition, current population of only 1, with just 3 of these submitted to Beckett so far. Sold at auction on May 21st for $19,100. It's not a rookie card, I know, but it is Jordan. He's in his Wizards uniform. And Kobe, combination, the GOATs. Only 10 of these exist. SPX winning combos, I couldn't leave off the list. On card autograph. Do believe this is the highest selling sports card from 2002, recently sold on eBay. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support so far. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, comment below. Let me know what video you want to see me do next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.